Philippine Airlines, Milo. We're here at the Military Air Show, and it's going to be really fun. I'm going to show you. There's a lot of airplanes here and a lot of things that's happening in here. Here we go. C-141. I've written one of these before. It's cool. We're going to go inside. I've ridden one of these before, and this is where we sit down. It's not a comfortable one, but you sit down here and you get locked in there. Not locked, but seat belted. So this is where we sit. There's no seat in the middle of the aisle. This is what it looks like here. Usually they have weapons loaded in here. So these chairs right here, it slides down this side, and see this chair right here, this is where we sat down riding this one, and this one is lays down and we seat belted in there, and that's how we go for hours of ride. And that's where the cockpit is right there. I went there before when we rode in this one. It's pretty awesome. I didn't see that one before. Oh, it's closed. This is their kitchen. Oh, the light just came on. My light just came on. That's pretty cool. So this must be to keep the food or their food and then drinks and hot coffee or something. So this is the stairs going up to the cockpit. This is the exit area here. So this is the pilot. They are, when they're tired, this is where they rest. We are now in the cockpit area. So this is their bunk bed for the pilots. And look at all these buttons that they have to go through. Look at all these. See? So this is the pilot section. Look at all the manuals they have to go through. So it's right here. That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Come in.
That's pretty amazing.
Happy to have you.
So much to know, so much to learn. Look at this, having such a hard time getting down. It's really hard to get down. So anyway. So we just finished getting inside. We were able to see the cockpit area. Pretty awesome. Nice. Look at this. This is pretty awesome. What's it called?
This is a 240 Bravo.
Oh, okay. That one is?
That's the same exact. That's the same one.
Ah, okay. How far does it go when you shoot?
About 2,600 meters.
2,600 meters. Okay. This is really big. I don't know what this is, but
That's too much to carry around. Yes, this thing is way too heavy.
How many pounds is that? How many pounds is that? Ooh,
It's probably close to 100 pounds.
this is 50 cal, and they use it. It's about 100 pounds, and they use it to this tank right here. It's a striker tank, and sometimes they have to carry it if it's necessary, but not all the time. It's pretty heavy. 100 pounds is very, very heavy. Guys, I'm gonna get inside the striker vehicle. I'm gonna show you. I think this is, yeah, this is what they use during war. So I'm gonna go inside and see what it looks like. I haven't been in there. Guys, this is called the striker vehicle. I'm gonna go inside. This is the very first time I've been here before. They use this to go to war, so I'm just gonna show you what it looks like in here.
sorry.
Oh, this is what they use. I don't know what kind of
Like 180.
181. So that's what this is 181. How far does it go? When you,
Oh, it's 120.
120? How far does?
Max range is 6,700 meters. Minimum is 180.
Wow, that's pretty powerful. I promise. I'm a YouTuber. I promise I won't show anything confident. Huh? No, I'm a vlog. So this is HIMARS. It shoots rockets and missiles. Missiles. How do you say that? Did I just say missiles? Okay, so this is called HIMARS and it shoots rockets and missiles. Good. So this is where. Okay. I'm not sure on that one, but that's what it looks like outside here. And that's where. How many people fits in there?
We have 3 people in there.
3 people. Wow, this is really cool. Never seen it before. Awesome. I've seen this on video and YouTube. That's all I know. So many of them are uploaded.
Mortar system. But yeah, basically it shoots rockets.
So it shoots.
Yeah, you need to get the bomb in right here. And you would drop it in the tube. As soon as it hits the bottom, it goes right back out. Shoots about 2 miles away.
It's a robot. So this is what. Is this the one that they use to pick up the planting bomb on the ground? Oh, that is so amazing.
Yeah, we mainly use it so we don't have to go down.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall and found a way to reconcile. In my heart it's not burning fire.
So military uses this so they don't have to go to the ground to pick up stuff like that. Safer for the drone.